हाँ चलो get see one student will get chance to give the answer only once. Okay, you allow others also to give the answer if everybody else wish to give the answer. Chalo. Those who want to give the answer, they can send me the answer in the chat box. Okay, I will consider that. I will read the answer. Chalo. So what percentage is 16 hours? This we did. What percentage is 16 hours of 4 days? 16 hour, 16 hour and 4 days. This is hours, this is days. So this days we have converted into hours. One day is 24 hours, so this will be 96 hours. Then to find percentage, it will be 16 hour upon 96 hour multiplied by 100. 100 upon 6%. 16 1 is 16, 16 6 is 96. Then 100 I can write 50 into 2, 6 I can write 3 into 2, 2 get cancelled, 50 upon 3%, that is 16 is to 2 by 3%. Chalo. Now let me discuss second one. Second one, yes. Twelve is to 1 by 2% of 400 kg. We should go step by step. What do you mean by x percent? X percent means x upon 100. Then off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. That's all. So 12 is to 1 by 2%. 12 is to 1 by 2% of 400 kg. 12 is to 1 by 2 is mixed fraction. Convert that into 25. 2 into 12, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 2% of 400 kg. Okay. Now whenever you are given x percent, and when you are removing this percentage sign, you have to divide by 100. Whenever you are removing the percentage sign, you have to divide by 100. So this is 25 by 2%. So 25 by 2, we have to divide by 100. So divide by 100. Then off means multiplication, 400 kg. So this is 25 by 2. Now in fraction we have studied, whenever we convert division into multiplication, we take reciprocal of the second, 1 upon 100 into 400 kg. Okay, now see this, how the cancellation will take place. 100 4s are 400. Okay, so that is, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is left? 25 into 2. 25 into 2 kg. 25 into 2 kg. That is 50 kg. Answer is 50 kg. Answer is 50 kg. Yes? Is it clear, my dear? Yes or no? Chalo. Do third one. No, you have already got the chance, no? If anybody, you allow other also. If nobody is there, then definitely I will give you chance. Anybody? Chalo, write the answer in the chat box. Let me read. Tanvi Datta 60. Durgesh Rana 60%. Shreya Veera 60%. Shaurya Yadav 60%. Shweta Kushwaha 60%. Pratyush 60. Durgesh 60. Dhanvi 60. Daksh Patel 60. Shaurya Yadav 60%. Hitanshi 60%. Soni Krishang 60. Nishant Shinde 60. Let us see. Okay, let us check the answer of third one. So we have to follow the rules of mathematics, and nothing is there in the calculation. Okay, simply follow the procedure rules of mathematics, you will get the answer. So I have told you the concept of ratio. Whenever 2 dot is there means it is ratio. Whenever 4 dot is there means it is proportion. Yes? Yes or no? I have told you 2 dot is there means it is ratio. Okay? And whenever 4 dot is there means it is proportion. Okay. Now what do you mean by ratio? Ratio means you have to divide. And proportion means equal to. Yes or no? This I have already taught you. Ratio means you have to divide, and proportion means equal to. So what is given? 3 ratio 5. 3 ratio 5. What do you mean by A ratio B? A ratio B means A ratio B means A upon B. A ratio B means okay, 1 minute. 3 ratio 5 means 3 upon 5. Now you can see numerator and 5 is my denominator. So whenever you have numerator and denominator, what type of number is that? Numerator and denominator. Either it will be a rational number or it will be a fraction. Okay? So numerator upon denominator, this is nothing but it is a fraction. Whenever you have fraction, then to calculate percentage, we multiply by 100. So 3 upon 5, whenever you have fraction, so 3 upon 5 multiplied by 100%. You can cancel. 5, 20, 20. So 3 into 20%. 3 into 20%, that is 60%. So the correct answer is 60%. Okay? Chalo. Find fourth one. Chalo. Find fourth one. Find fourth one. Find fourth one. Durgesh, Rana, what is the answer? Aditi Gada 3 minutes. And you send me in the chat box. Shruti Pradhan 3 minutes. Vedant Tulaskar 3 minutes. Shaurya Yadav 3 minutes. Durgesh Rana 3 minutes. New Sethia 3 minutes. Rishang 3 minutes. Daksh Patel 3 minutes. Pratyush Singhal 3 minutes. Shreya Veera 3 minutes. Nishant Shinde 3 minutes. Shweta Kushwaha 3 minutes. Tanvi Datta 3 minutes. Yes, who else are there? Send the answer. Let me read the name. Ash 3 minutes. Shravani Bani 3 minutes. Tanvi Datta 3 minutes. Shaurya Yadav 3 minutes. Repeated. Okay. Sunaina Pal 3 minutes. Sandeep Darji 3 minutes. Kanika Vajyavargi 3 minutes. Jay Madhav Das Solanki 3 minutes. Siddhant Singh 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. So everybody is giving the answer 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Let me see what is there in the 3 minutes. Why majority of you are getting 3 minutes as the answer? Okay. So let me check. What is the importance of 3 minutes? Okay. So find 2% of 2 hours. Find 2% of 2 hours, 30 minutes. Okay. Whenever you are given the combination of hour and minute, you convert them into minute. So 1 hour is equal to, my dear, you have patience unless and until, because I have to teach the whole class of E division and F division. Okay. And accordingly I have to give equal opportunity to each and every student. Okay, so have patience unless and until it is asked. please do not respond, because I have to teach the whole class and all students I have to teach equally. So I have to focus all the students. Okay. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hour will be 120 minutes. Then plus 30 minutes will be 150 minutes. 150 minutes. So this is 2%. X percent means x upon 100. Off means multiplication. 2 hour 30 minutes means 150 minutes. Now let us cancel them. We can cancel them by 5. 25 is 100. Chalo. Cut 1 0. Chalo. Then 2 5 are 10. 3 5 are 15. Then 2 get cancelled. That is 3 minutes. The correct answer is 3 minutes. Yes, the correct answer. Yes. No problem. Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. You can follow any method, but there should not be any violation of rules. That's all. Okay. Chal. Yes. Tell me the doubt. Chalo. 5A. 5A 9. 5A. Exercise 5A. 5A 9 sum. 27 into 32. No. Yes. Chalo. 27 into 32. 27 into 32 is 3 raised to x into 2 raised to y. Now find the value of x and y. This x and y we have to find. Okay. So now this is the problem of exponents. See here. This is my right hand side. Right hand side is given in the exponential form. So this left hand side also you have to write down this in the exponential form. Okay. Exponential form means base raised to power. Right hand side is given in the exponential form. So left hand side also you have to write down in the exponential form. Okay. So let us use prime factorization and find factors of 27. 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Then 32. You can prime number is 2, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay. So this 27 I can write 3 into 3 into 3. Then 32 I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Okay. And this is same as 3 raised to x into 2 raised to y. How many times 3 is multiplied? Yes, 3 times. So that number of times will go in the power. Number of times will go in the power. So that will become 3 raised to 3. Then how many times 2 is multiplied? 5 times. 5 times. Number of times will go in the power. So this is 2 raised to 5 is equal to 3 raised to x into 2 raised to y. Now we have left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. Now we compare the power. Base is 3. Power is x. Where is base is 3? Base is 3. Power is 3. So when compared, base is same. 3 base is same. So their power should be equal. So x is equal to 3. Then base is 2. Base is 2. What is power? 5. What is power? Y. So y is equal to 5. So x is 3, y is 5. Yes, clear? Any doubt in this? Any? Not second method, man. My dear, it was from exponent, no? Yes, this is not second method. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Yes, 1 minute. Is it clear this part? Chalo, let me give one problem of this same type in exponent. Okay. Chalo. Exponent, whenever you want to find the value of x and y, you have to compare the power. That's all. Okay. You have to compare the power. You will get the value. Okay. Board is clear, my dear. There it is. Yes. Chalo. Now express. Chalo, let me give the question. Express. No, not express. 343 into 343 into 128 is equal to 7 raised to x into 2 raised to y. Find x and y. Find x and y. Let me give one more problem. Chalo. Let me give one more problem. Okay. Chalo. 120 243 into 1024 is equal to 2 raised to m into 3 raised to n. Find m and n. Sure. Good. No, same first revision only. See, whoever student has any doubt, he or she can ask the doubt. Whichever topic is going on, I can cover those doubts also in that topic. Okay. So first, in revision, the first preference is given to clear your doubts. If there is no doubt anybody is having, then we can go as per our chapter. Chalo, solve this. 4 minutes are left. 2 minutes for first problem. Chalo, in chat box you send me the answer. X is equal to what? Y is equal to what? In chat box you can type the answer and tell me. Chalo, let me give one more. 3-1. 729 into 625 is equal to 3 raised to a into 5 raised to b. Find a and b. Find a, b. Chalo. 3 problem of same type. X is 3. Third one is 729 into 625 is equal to 3 raised to a into 5 raised to b. Okay. Find the value of a and b. First one, x is 3, y is 7. Yes. X is 3, y is 7. Chalo, send me the answer. Tapasya Kumawat, x is 3, y is 7. Shreya Veera, x is 3, y is 7. What about others, my dear? Where are others? Give the answer. X is 3, y is 7. Veer Gupta, x is 3, y is 7. Okay. What about others? Naman Singh axis 3y7, Durgesh Rana axis 3y7, Shruti Pradhan axis 3y7, Krish Chauhan axis 3y7, Krishang axis 3y7, Samruddhi axis 3y7. What about others? Axis 3y7, Nishant Shinde axis 3y7. Yes, what about others? Still there are many students. Shravani Bane axis 3y7. Durgesh Shelar axis 3y, Durva Shelar axis 3y7. Durva Shelar, yes. Axis 3y7. Aditi Gada axis 3y7. Daksh Patel axis 3y7. Jay Madhav Das Solanki axis 3y7. First answer axis 3y7, because 343 will be 7 raised to 3, and 128 will be 2 raised to 7. So axis 3y7. First answer axis 3y7. Yes. What about this 343? Second one. Send me the answer. Second one. Tanmay Shinde. Yes. What is the answer of second? You have written something. 343. You can write 3 raised to 5. 1024 is 2 raised to 10. So answer is M is 10 and N is 5. M is 10, N is 5. Second answer, M is 10, N is 5. See, all of you write down your division and roll number in the chat box without fail, because that attendance I will consider. Now we stop here. See you in the next period. Revision. Yes, you can.